Okay, now it's time to talk about history in the terminal. Now we have command called history. So history, man the history. You can see no manual for it, no problem. So if I type history like this, you can see that we will have a list of all of the command history that been modified. Remember when I type this, the arbitrary command, you can see that all of it are here, okay? And we can use the shift one. This is to run the last command. So for example, if I type ls, it will show us like this. So shift one, it will run ls, as you can see. And if I press enter, yeah, as you can see, it will show us the last command. The same thing for shift one, for example, one, which is with this one, okay? So shift one, so this is to run the first one, okay? So if I type shift 7, it will echo pwd, as you can see here where it is 7. It will run echo pwd. So shift 7, yeah, it is pwd. Now run it, it will work fine. Now to search about a specific command, we can use the Control R to search. So Control R, you can see that it will start searching. Now type whatever you want. So for example, echo. As you can see, when I type echo, it shows us that we have echo pwd. Now I don't want pwd, I want the home. Control R again with the same strings, it will start searching on other variables. Again, Control R, Control R, Control R. As you can see, keep typing Control R until we search or find what we want to search for, which is home. Press enter and it will work fine. So this is to have the history of whatever we want, okay?